welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adia. You can tell I just woke up. My voice sounds like I just woke up. My face, my hair, everything just really sounds like I don't know why, like since yesterday night my left hand keeps itching me. Like I don't understand it. Anyway, I'm going to be taking you to what my mornings are like a productive morning in my life. Skincare time. So I brought my ring light inside the bedroom. This doesn't normally happen in my mornings, but I want to show you like how I normally do my skincare. Normally I'm naked for this part because I like to like rub this invisibly clear pore and shine in shower marks. This I just rub it on my face for like 60 seconds and then use this and wash it off. Then while I'm waiting for this one, I brush my teeth. Let me just show you. I'm talking too much. I wet my face, then take a generous amount. It feels like this product feels like it has like face scrub, but like the sand particles are like lighter. It's not harsh at all. So while I wait, I brush my teeth because I'm leaving it in for like 60 seconds. I'm almost done with my toothpaste. Evidence that I brush my teeth every single day, 2 times a day, because I'm almost done with my toothpaste. In 60 seconds, so I'm going to use this CeraVe foaming cleanser from normal to oily to wash my face. Ooh, look at that beautiful gel. Normally you're supposed to rinse it off, but this is how I do it. I just rub it on it too, because I don't want to wash it off and like put it again, because I feel like I'm drying out my skin, and drying out your skin is not a very good thing. Now I have to take a shower. You have to go, so I take a shower. Alright, let me show you every single thing that I use on my body. Don't break. Okay. This is everything I use on my body. I feel like if people can see me, they'll just be like, why is this girl outside to like showing product? The vitamin C serum. It comes out in drops. Sometimes I'm very aggressive and I just take the bottle and I just go like this. And I go in with this Olay. Let me show you. This is how it is. Last but not least, this sunscreen. I bought this sunscreen initially. I bought this useless shit. If you see this type of thing in the market, don't buy it. It leaves white cast, like serious white cast. It's a very rubbish product. This product is a very rubbish product, but this one is very good. Enough. And I use Vaseline. for my lips. Since Ives hydrating body vitamin E for my body. They'll just be wondering why I'm rubbing cream on my body outside. Please like this video. I'm legit rubbing cream outside, and I feel like people are just like, this guy is strange, or maybe they're at work and it's just in my mind. Then my perfume. I like this perfume. It smells very girly, and it has like this cool thing. I tried with my baby hairs. I did my best. I really tried. Yeah, so now it's time for me to go and eat. I'm going to be eating the best eggs in the world. I'm going to teach you how to make it. Anyway, God, I look so cute. That's why my skin be popping these days. Like, can you see it? Oof. Don't look at the road. Concentrate on me. So cute. Jesus. This is girl. This is fun girl. This is what I'm working with. I'm telling you, if you put stew in your eggs, I keep saying this thing, if you put stew in your eggs, the best eggs in the world when you put stew inside it. And if your stew is banging, like this stew was banging, like yesterday's stew, and you just put it with your eggs, try it and tell me if it's rubbish. If it's rubbish, feel free to curse me in the comments. Feel free, but you know it's not going to be rubbish. And don't come and curse me, I'll curse you back. Bon appetit, baby. I just finished watching this movie, Gods of Egypt. It was so interesting. It was so interesting. The power of love. The power of love. Oh my god. Missed pattern clothes to stay at home. That's how you know that I'm really chilling. So I'm reading this book, I just said like yesterday night. And I feel like it's so interesting. The name is Angels and Demons, The Amazing Reality of an Unseen World by Benehin. I just feel like as I was reading it, I was just like, God, there are different types of angels, like different. Read with me. To fill this with water because it's almost done, and I'm going to go and get my cold apple that I put in the freezer yesterday night so I can eat something as I'm reading my book. So let's go. And these mangoes.